So I was trying to figure this out the other day. I downloaded into the sound library. You know, you see it on the right, left hand side, it says sound library. But I couldn't actually see anything. So after a bit of digging around, I found that if you insert 3 stars, it will show you all 515 results. It needs to be 3, because if it's any less than 3 characters, it gets ignored by Davinci Resolve and the query engine that runs behind the scenes. In the manual, which I will show at the end, and also a link below to the actual document itself. Thank you. I've just found another way to look and see what's inside the Fairlight Sound Library. If you navigate to the download folder, click on the media files, you will see each of them listed in here. You saw in the previous video portion, there are 515 of them, so you can take your pick as which way you actually want to try and find the one. So there's quite a few pages here going on to explain the query language used to try and find the right one. In the background you've got some pages turning. That's about it. Thank you.